Your pre-market summary for Tuesday, July 5th. Back in action we go. Same old markets, unfortunately. Back in negative territory here for the futures right now to start things off on a holiday shortened week, coming off of a decent rebound on Friday. If you remember, heading into the long weekend, markets were higher, but it was still a negative week. The fourth out of the last fifth, unfortunately, to the downside. That's a look at how things stand right now in the pre-market. 0.86 there for the S&P. 0.68 for the Dow, the Nasdaq a full percent leading, in fact, to the downside. More news in the energy market today. Yeah, Buffett back in there buying more Occidental shares. We'll talk about that coming up this morning. Bitcoin and Ethereum back in negative territory after both had a bit of a rebound back on Friday as well. Overall, on Friday, we saw the Dow up about 1%. The S&P gained 1% as well. The Nasdaq lagging ever so slightly, up just 0.9%. Few individual things we're watching. Tesla shares back on watch this morning. Over the weekend, they announced deliveries, Q2 deliveries that fell short of estimates, as everyone was predicting because of what was happening in China and COVID lockdowns. We're still kind of holding bottom end of the range here for Tesla overall. Yeah, Occidental higher this morning, even with crude oil back in negative territory, as Warren Buffett in there on Friday disclosing another 10 million shares were purchased. So definitely some relative strength here for Occidental. Taiwan's Foxconn raising its full year outlook. That's benefiting Apple here in the pre-market. A little bit stronger than the rest right now for Apple shares. We'll have a look at that. We'll have a look at NVDA as well. Yeah, pretty ugly looking daily chart. If I slide this over, there you go. Pretty ugly looking daily chart for NVIDIA. The chip makers lowered this morning on more negative analyst moves. Have a look at the watch list, guys. It's on its way out to you currently. Use the QR code on screen right now. Welcome back. Hope you had a good and happy 4th of July. We'll see you soon on TraderTV.Live.